I'm Christian and welcome to Premier Piano. Let's get started. Jason Derulo's Savage Love in under 3 minutes. Hit the timer, let's go. Alright, so first things first, the melody goes like this. A, B, A, C. A gets repeated twice. Here's A. Just see that? I'll go slow. B flat, F, E flat. We're gonna go down, okay? Down on that. Practice that a few times. Now switch and go G to B flat like this. And we're gonna go G, B flat, B flat, B flat 3 times. Put it together, here we go. Down, we go. Switch. You do that twice, okay? Okay. Next part, B. Okay, now this time we go F, G. Do you see that turnaround? Let me slow down for you. F 3 times B flat. Now we go G, B flat, C, B flat. Okay? Again, slowly. F 3 times, B flat. G, B flat, C, B flat. Practice that again with me. Take your time, get that right. Back to A we go, just like the beginning of the song. Okay, we've done that already. Now C, here we go. Part C starts on the C and we go down on F, E flat. So, okay? Now there's the tricky part, there's a roll up. So we're gonna roll up the scale from F to G to B flat. So you have to get these 4 notes ready. 4 notes ready. E flat, F, G, B flat. E flat, F, G, B flat. Roll them with me, come on, roll. Roll, okay, like that, roll. Okay, so after we finish part C, roll. I'll slow it down. Ready? Roll, 2, 3, 4. E flat, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly again. So joining it up. And then we finish with Savage Love. Okay, so B flat, E flat, D, and then he actually doesn't play the C, but he leaves it there. So B flat, E flat, D, and then stops. Pause. Don't be overwhelmed or intimidated, just rewind the video a bunch of times and practice each individual section till you can do it. And here it is, all put together. And he stops there. Stop the timer. Look at that, we did it. Okay? Now, bonus extra, I always give you something for free, extra value. It's what I love, it's what I do. The chords, the harmony. Here we go, part 2. There's only 4 chords to this entire song. Only 4 chords. So the chords are as follows. The first one is C minor. Second one is A flat. Third one is E flat. Last one is B flat. Okay, so we do this properly. I'm gonna get you just to do one hand at a time, okay? Later on you throw this to the left and play the melody with the right. For now, just stick to one hand till you get used to it. We're gonna go C minor, okay? C, E flat, G, root position. A flat first inversion, which is C, E flat, A flat, okay? So easy, one finger change, so easy, okay? From there we go to E flat. Okay, so I've jumped up, pinky, middle, thumb, which is E flat, G, B flat, okay? And from there, we drop the bottom 2 fingers, keeping the top out here, to F and D. Okay? So once again, we're on E flat, and we drop the fingers down to F and D. E flat to B flat, just like that. Okay? One last time, C minor. A flat, first inversion. E flat, root position. B flat. In first inversion, and then we go again. Okay, if you can smash all of that together, it might sound like this. And then we go back again. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Christian from Premier Piano, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Check out the socials, hit like, subscribe. You want the cheat sheet for this? Everything given to you for free. Click the link below. It's from my website, my gift to you. No payment, nothing back. Just show some love. share this with somebody you like, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching again, guys. My name was Christian.